One thing that Sean really does is he wants everybody to succeed. He wants to make that happen. He wants to help people see the vision that they are able to do that. And that's something that you get from this experience.
Fencing it's a passion. Sean King brings level 15 energy, so do I. So he's literally one of the only people that I can be myself around and not feel out of place.
Being able to just kind of compare yourself to other people, not necessarily as a competition, but as a way to grow and learn, has been really useful.
Seeing where we are and where we need to be and how to get there.
He gave it to us right there. Everything you need to make a proper budget and budget for the year to come.
We're 39 years in. Yes, we made it. Yes, we do very well, but the room for growth is exponential.
Fence companies are businesses that happen to deliver and install fences, but they're businesses. So the biggest takeaway that I see from all of these folks is that they run their business better.
Everyone here knows what they should be doing to do the right thing in their life and leave the best legacy, but oftentimes we don't do it. None of us are where we want to be yet. We all are still part of that learning cycle and that journey. And there's things that we need to do to get there. We need to be held accountable for those. No different than you need to be held accountable in your business.
You're going to go round and round and round, and you're going to blame it on someone else. You can blame it on a vendor, blame it on customers, blame it on the economy, or you can take ownership, own it, get here, learn, and figure it out, and get on the right path.
What are you waiting for? It's a no-brainer.